my beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My Monga people, today topic na about one lady we just cry out now. Say e husband wan collect e children from her. So in the cry now, make Nigerians make the help am, say because e husband wan collect e children from her. And na oyibo man, because he know say in na oyibo na him go fit do anything wey him like, you understand me, my people? So abeg, more na help this lady, because she just cry at nana say abeg make Nigerians make dem help am, because he no fit bear this one again. He no fit bear this one alone again, you understand me? So I just dey see am na for Iyore One of Paris platform na say make abeg make people help am share the video, make we help am share am. He want make the video go viral, mona help am, you understand? So now I say okay, make I come tell my people abeg, na Italy this thing for the apple now, and according to the way the woman take dey talk, she dey fear, you understand? She dey fear, you understand? The woman dey fear now, they even dey fear to talk, you understand me? So I beg my people, anybody wey see this video, make e share am, make e share am to all the social media. No be only aproko una go dey share, no be only saga una go dey share. More una still share this one now. The woman, the way she take dey talk, she hide dey talk sef, say because they wan poison am, they wan do am bad thing, they wan do am bad thing, you understand? So I beg my ogbonge people, anybody wey see this video, make e share am, make e share am to all the platform, make e share am to everybody. Make e share am to everybody, because the woman wey she dey talk now, she dey fear dey inside the woman. So I beg my ogbonge people, more na help me share this video, please. Na beg me dey o, because somebody life now dey danger. So una not supposed to just leave am like that. Una come go dey share with una not supposed to share. No be that one we dey talk about la. This one na life, you understand me? So I beg, when I ever listen to wetin
you don't come here. Area one on
you understand?
Any small to have you, ya almost piano, piano,
because Iyore One of Paris na platform for see this thing now. So I beg, Mona share this video. We want make this video go viral. We want make this video go everywhere. I beg, Mona share this video. Not be only saga, una go dey share. Not be only where they insult person, una go dey share. Mona still share the one wey be say somebody for cry out now say he need help. She hide dey talk now because of he dey fear. He say she dey fear. That make she hide dey talk. So anybody wey see this video, make e share am. Mona help this woman. This woman need help. Like seriously, the woman need help. The woman need help. Help. She need help. So because you see her, oyibo, now this one born for now, he want collect pikin from her. She said no one good, because everywhere gets you for body. Because of some people wey dey say no, I don't want to follow Nigerian man. Now oyibo I want follow. So wetin oyibo dey do person now? I don't want follow black man. See wetin he dey do me. You see Anna, this one na oyibo. Oyibo na dey do this one now. So my ogbonge people, I beg anybody wey see this video,
my people, Mona share this video for all over
over the world. Mona see what they happen to me. Oh, Mona, come help me, I beg go. I marry Italian mama, so you want to collect my children. We don't divert. They don't abandon me. They don't drive me through Komoto. A house when I rent, when they near house, he go there, he get the key, go come they poison my food when I dey eat. I come they sick my people. Mona list you. So from there now I come go hospital. I don't know say still no doctor with the hospital. They still drug me for hospital. I beg go. Mona see as I be before, my head they hot everywhere. Now body they pay me. Now hide I can't hide. So my people, I beg Mona share this for all over the world. Mona see as I be before. See as I be before my people. So this poison, Mona see my number. Mona see my number. Mona see my number. I be on there back you. Mona see my number. Mona see amo. Mona see amo. I be not put away. Mona like this.
Beg my people, shey una don see the video now. Una don see wetin the woman talk. I beg anybody wey go fit help the woman, may go help am. This woman need help. The way she dey talk sef, she dey talk in fear, like she dey fear. You understand? So I beg anybody wey go fit help the woman, may they go help am. I beg, not be only saga una go dey share, not be only people that dey insult person una go dey share. At least this one is very, very important. Mona still share this video. Mona share am. I beg, because this woman need help. Not be tomorrow now. Now come here say she don't me. Now say why she not cry? Come out. Social media and they there. Why she not talk? Now she don't talk now. Nobody want hear am now. Not be tomorrow now. If something come happen to her now. Now I'll be the first person we go first come out. They say the woman not cry. Come out. Nobody see the video. That is why me now they do the video now. Mona share am. I beg. Mona share am. Mona share am. Mona share am, because this woman need help. Anybody will go fit help her. I go still put her number for there. Una go call the number where Mommy Yore bring come at that time. Una go call the number so that Mona anything Mona fit do. Mona help the woman. This woman need help. The woman dey in pain. You understand? The woman dey in pain. I beg my ogbonge people. Mona help me share the video. I go bring the woman number out. So anything una fit do, if not to call the woman, to bring the woman, to call the woman, Mona call her. Because now to you bring the number out so that una go fit call the woman. So any help una go fit help am, una go still help am, una understand. So na the matter. Any help una fit do, anything una fit do for the woman, una go do am, because she bring her number come at that time. Because say this one na her number, una call her with the number. I go bring the number, write am come out, put for the title, so that anybody will go fit help the woman, may they contact the woman, may they help her. This one na Oyibo, you want collect pikin from the woman. You understand? They want collect pikin from the woman, and of which is not done anywhere to just collect pikin for person like that. You understand me? The thing is not good, like it not really make sense for you to just collect pikin for person like that. You understand me? So I beg the woman number, I go write am out. Anybody will go fit help her, Mona help her, so that make this Oyibo not just collect the pikin from her like that. Now understand me, my people. So thank you everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you.
I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your